Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen, and today we're going to make Valentine's Day shortbread biscuits. So let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe you need 125 grams of butter, that's about 4 ounces. You need 55 grams, that's 2 ounces of caster sugar, and also you will need 180 grams, that's 6 ounces of flour. And then we've just got some jam and also some chocolate spread, which we're going to put over the biscuits, and then some freeze-dried strawberries, which will stick to the chocolate spread and the jam. Now if you can't get freeze-dried strawberries, you could always use fresh raspberries and strawberries and just cut them into small pieces. This recipe makes about 20 to 24 biscuits. We've got a round cutter to cut them out with. I couldn't find a heart-shaped one, unfortunately, because that would have been appropriate for Valentine's Day. Okay, so the first job we need to do is just preheat our oven to 190 degrees. That's 375 degrees Fahrenheit, so we will do that. Okay. So the first job we need to do is we need to beat the butter and sugar until it's smooth. So then goes the butter and then goes the sugar. And we're just going to beat that together until it's nice and smooth. It helps if your butter is relatively soft as well. So just cream that all together. And always try and use as good quality ingredients as you can get. So just good butter and just standard caster sugar. So just cream it together. You need all the sugar mixed in with the butter. And the good thing about these biscuits is you can adjust them to different times of the year. So you could make ones for Christmas, get some Christmas cutters, or for Halloween, get some Halloween shapes, which would be good. Okay, that's nearly there. Get the last bit of sugar, you can see that. Nice and creamy. You see all the sugar's nicely mixed in. Okay, next job is to stir in the flour. This is just plain flour. Just get that all mixed in. And we want it to get to a smooth paste. You see it's coming together. Just get all that flour worked in. Just get a bit of butter that's on the fork. Just get that last bit of flour in. And these are great to make with children as well. They'll have fun helping you to make these. Let's just get all that flour mixed in. Okay, so it's nearly there now. Okay, we're just going to use our hands to bring it together the last little bit. So it's a nice golden colour. cover the last bit up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to chill that in the fridge for 20 minutes. Just so it firms up. Okay, so our pastry's had 20 minutes now in the fridge, so we're going to roll it out. Just flour the surface lightly and the rolling pin. So just give it a roll and turn it, and just keep turning it. Until it's about 1 centimetre in thickness. Okay, just a bit more. Just make that bit a bit even. I think it's nearly there. Okay, and then we're going to take our cutter and like I say, if you can get hold of a heart-shaped one, it would be very appropriate for Valentine's Day. Okay, and then we're going to put them on a baking sheet to cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're brown. And then once we've cut out enough on this bit, we'll then just re-roll the excess pastry and make the rest out of them, so we'll do that. Okay, so we've cut them out and we're just going to sprinkle a little touch of sugar on top. And then we're going to bake them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're a golden pale brown. And then we can leave them to cool and decorate them. Okay, so after 15 minutes I've taken them out of the oven. They've got a nice golden brown colour, which that sugar has helped to achieve. We're going to leave them to cool and then we will decorate them. Of course you could serve them like this as a normal shortbread biscuit, but we're going to jazz it up a bit with a topping on top. So we'll do that once they've cooled down. Okay, so the biscuits have now cooled down, so we're going to decorate them. We're going to do half with some strawberry jam and half with some chocolate spread. So I'm just going to put a little bit on each biscuit, spread that on, and then that will help stick the freeze-dried strawberries on. Like I say, if you can't get freeze-dried strawberries, you could cut up fresh strawberries or raspberries, whatever takes your fancy. And of course you could put maybe lemon curd on top, or maybe peanut butter, whatever takes your fancy, or serve them as they are. But red gives it an appropriate colour for Valentine's Day, but like I say, you can adapt them for whatever time of the year, Christmas, Easter, make different shapes, give them for a birthday treat. You know, giving a nice homemade selection of biscuits, you can't beat that. So we're just going to spread each one of these with jam and then the others with chocolate spread. Okay, so now we've covered each one, we're going to put some freeze-dried strawberries on them. Just as I say, the jam and the chocolate spread will help them to stick. Okay, I'll just do that on each one. So there you go, shortbread biscuits, some with strawberry jam on and some with chocolate spread with strawberry freeze-dried pieces on top. And like I say, you can use what toppings you desire, experiment with them. That's the great thing about baking, you just experiment and use different toppings and see what results you get. Okay, so I'm just going to have a try of one of the strawberry ones. Nice crunch, and nice bit of sweetness from the strawberry jam, a nice bit of texture from the petals as well. So why not give them a try and let me know how they turn out in the comments. Let me know what toppings you decided to use, or did you just leave them plain. And like I say, to make a great gift, you could buy some gift bags from your local shop and put them in a presentation box and give them for a birthday present or a gift to say thank you, something like that. Okay, so hope you enjoyed that, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for more cooking videos, as well as other videos that will be coming up very soon. I did do a video recently on James Bond 007 Funko Pop, so I'll link that at the end of the video. So if you haven't seen that yet, have a look at that. There'll also be some gardening ones coming up. Yes, I'm going to turn my get my green fingers. Could be planting some vegetables and some herbs, so we'll be doing that. We'll be doing the indoor ones first, because the outdoor ones I can't do at the moment because it's a bit still a bit of snow here in the UK at the moment, so we'll do that bit once that's all gone. Got a little bit of sunshine hopefully, but yeah, look out for that video soon. And like I said, there'll be more cookery videos as well, so please like and ring that bell for notifications of future cookery videos and other ones as well. And like I say, these biscuits are very easy to make, don't take long to do at all, so great for kids to get involved as well, and teaches them as well about baking, and hopefully we'll get them into, maybe, you never know, being future bakers or go into a cookery career. Who knows what could happen. So please do give them a try and let me know in the comments how they went. And I'll see you very soon, and thank you for watching once more, and bye for now.